So welcome back to the channel. In this video we'll cover this amazing lab. So simply click on Start Lab and right click and open the link incognito window. Now from here what you need to do, you have to simply click on this button to activate the Cloud Shell, and if you get any pop-up just click on I agree and continue, and in the Cloud Shell you have to click on continue and then just authorize yourself. Now in the description box of this video I've shared this GitHub repository. You have to simply select it and just enter over here and just paste it. Now wait for it to get completed. It will take some time, and after that we'll be done with the lab. So finally all things are done. It will take some time, 5 to 10 minutes. So now you have to come to the lab instruction and simply check the score for each and every task. And if you want this yellow check my progress bar, you can just navigate to the channel video description and just see it. So here we have got 85 out of 100. I think last task is remaining. So let's refresh it. And yes, we completed the lab. Thank you guys. Have a great day ahead.